welcome back to my channel. So for this video I wanted to try out the pink hair paint wax, and honestly it came out kind of purple, but I'm really not mad at it. Like, I think it looks really pretty. So this is what the hair paint wax looks like. And this is the color that I used. But you can see, like, on my hair it's actually purple, but I'm pretty sure that's just because my hair is super dark. And I will also say that it looks more pink when I'm out in the sun versus in the house. Like right now I'm just using a regular ring light, and it definitely looks more purple, but outside, I'll insert some pictures somewhere, but outside it really looked super bright and pinkish purple. So yeah, I actually also tried the red and the gold hair paint wax before, and I feel like those were a little bit closer to the color that they were supposed to be. But I just think, again, my hair is really dark, so I probably would have needed to get this pink plus like a white and mix them together to make a lighter pink in order for my hair to actually have been pink versus purple. But like I said, I'm really not even mad at it. I think it looks really cute, this purplish color. And yeah, I like it. So again, I ordered my hair paint wax from hairpaintwax.com. You can find them on Instagram, or you can go straight to hairpaintwax.com to order it. And this hair paint wax is super easy to apply, and it washes out really easily. You don't have to worry about it staining your hair or anything like that. It washes off your hair, your hands, clothes with just water. So that's like the best thing about it. Alright, so if you want to see how I applied this hair paint wax, then just keep on watching. So as always, I'm starting on freshly washed hair, and I'm just parting my hair into 4 sections. I'm starting off with my Uncle Funky's Daughter Miracle Moisture Cream. I recommend using a moisturizing product first under the hair paint wax so that your hair isn't dry underneath. Next, I'm adding the Curly Magic Stimulator since I am doing a wash and go and wanted some hold and definition. The hair paint wax also gives your hair some hold, so you don't need to use too much gel or shingle. Now I'm just doing that exact same thing in the other 3 sections. So this is what my curls look like so far, and I think they look really good. So this is the hair paint wax. I'm using the color pink like I said, and it's a really pretty color. It was actually darker than I thought it would be, but I still really liked it. I sprayed my hair a little bit with water just so that it would be nice and damp. I find that it works best on damp hair. So right away I noticed that I would have to really layer this color. My hair is super dark and dense, so I had to really work in the color before it started to pop. I also noticed that applying the wax straight to my hair works better than rubbing it into my hands first. You just want to make sure that you smooth it into your hair really well, because if you don't, it will dry that way. So like I said, I'm just building up the color until it's saturated the way I want it. The great thing about hair paint wax is that it's super creamy. This allows it to go on very smoothly and just makes the application process so easy. So after it was all applied, I added some wax to my hands and used the praying hands method just to make sure I didn't miss any areas. I also wanted my ends to be really bright, so I went back in and added some of the wax specifically to my ends. So this is what my hair is looking like so far. Now that it's all coated, I'm just gonna let it air dry. This is the next day. My hair was a little bit stuck together, so I did have to go in and separate and fluff, but that wasn't a big deal. My hair still had tons of movement and definition, as you can see. Like I said in the beginning of the video, my hair looks more purple indoors, but outside it was more of a berry color, which was also really pretty. I really love both colors, honestly. Alright guys, well thanks so much for watching. Make sure you don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you've ever tried any hair paint wax and which color you used. See y'all later. Bye.